What is the importance of chemistry? Why would you want to learn about it? Chemistry has a reputation for being a complicated and boring science, but for the most part that reputation is undeserved. Chemicals are all around us. Everything is made of chemicals. We also use many simple chemical reactions in our everyday lives. The foods we eat contain natural chemicals we need to live. We burn carbon-containing substances like wood, coal, gas and petrol in order to stay warm, generate electricity and transport ourselves around. The clothes we wear are made from natural substances like cotton. The drugs we take when we have a headache or an injury are all specially developed chemicals. Our body is made up of chemical compounds which are combinations of elements. Most of the human body is made up of water. Therefore, it isn't surprising that most of a human body's mass is oxygen. Carbon, the basic unit for organic molecules, comes in second. 99% of the mass of the human body is made up of just 6 elements: oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium and phosphorus. Thousands of chemical reactions take place during digestion. As soon as you put a food in your mouth, an enzyme in your saliva called amylase starts to break down sugars and other carbohydrates into simpler forms your body can absorb. Hydrochloric acid in your stomach reacts with food to break it down, while enzymes cleave proteins and fats so that they can be absorbed into your bloodstream through the walls of intestines. Soaps and detergents clean by way of chemical reactions. Soap emulsifies grime, which means oil stains bind to the soap so that they can be lifted away with water. Detergents act as surfactants, lowering the surface tension of water so it can interact with oils, isolate them and rinse them away. The diagnostic tests carried out in laboratories, the prognostic estimations, medical prescriptions, pills, the vaccines, the antibiotics play a very vital role in health monitoring and the control of diseases. From simple sterilization with antiseptic solution to chemotherapy and genome sequencing are all nothing but applications of chemistry. Photosynthesis is a reaction to make food. Plants convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. It's one of the most common everyday chemical reactions and also one of the most important, since this is how plants produce food for themselves and animals and convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. Combustion is a type of chemical reaction. Every time you strike a match, burn a candle, build a fire or light a grill, you see the combustion reaction. Combustion combines energetic molecules with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. Rust is caused by a chemical reaction between iron and oxygen. Over time, iron develops a red flaky coating called rust. This is an example of an oxidation reaction. Other everyday examples include formation of verdigris on copper and tarnishing of silver. Chemistry is a big part of your everyday life. You find chemistry in daily life in the foods you eat, the air you breathe, cleaning chemicals, and literally every object you can see or touch. Even your emotions are controlled by chemical reactions in your body. What you are thinking right now has to do with chemistry inside your brain. So, do study chemistry. Your time won't be wasted.